Hi guys, Yorkshire Biker here. And basically on the way to work this morning, what I'm doing is I'm testing out a new microphone. I've had to do a bit of splicing of wires, but what I'm using now is a Sena SMH5 microphone. So basically it's Velcro to the chin bar of my helmet. And obviously it's all wired up to the camera. Cheers, mate. Yeah, so SMH5 microphone's meant to be sound cancelling, so it gets rid of all wind noise and stuff like that. All the bad stuff that you don't want. So that's why I'm purposely riding with my visor up, just to see if it does actually work. Hopefully I don't get cold in my eye at the same time. Yes, I mean this vlog's just mainly a bit of audio testing. But I mean there was a bit of a topic I wanted to talk about as well, to be honest. Now I'm sure it's something quite a few people are wondering, as well as me, but I don't think anyone's actually sort of asked the question yet. So the topic is... We'll put visor down now. Yeah, so the topic is about motovloggers and Honda GROMs. I don't understand what the fascination is about a Honda GROM. Yeah, it's a little like sort of pocket bike kind of thing, but I don't think it's anything fantastic. And it appears that because a couple of bigger motovloggers have got one as like sort of a commuter bike, everyone else is thinking, oh, I want to have a piece of that. I want to copy so and so. And I just think it's getting to the point where everybody's going to be on a Honda GROM. There's going to be nothing different to look at. Because I'm not just into sports bikes myself, I prefer quite a range of bikes. Well, I don't prefer a range, I like sort of like a range of bikes. I'm not biased against any one particular style. So I mean, everybody riding a Honda GROM, it's just going to be boring. And that's why I'm not buying one. I was thinking, yeah, RJ's got one, yeah, fair enough, he commutes around London, stuff like that. I know Jake the Garden Snake's got one. I mean, I don't watch his channel an awful lot. I watch odd video now and again, but he's not on my top 10 list. But I know he's got one. I mean, it just appears everybody wants a Honda GROM because they think it's something people are just going to be searching for. Motovloggers on a Honda GROM. I mean, they're not that good of a bike, to be fair. Yeah, they might be agile and stuff like that, but it's small, so you're going to be sat uncomfortably on it, depending on your height. It's got it's got an okay fuel tank for a 125, I suppose, but it's not the biggest. I just think you look a bit of a dick. In all honesty, I think you look a bit of a dick on a bike that's about a foot tall. But that's just my opinion. If you like Honda GROM and you want to buy one, go for it. Just don't expect me to like it. So I can see the advantages of a Honda GROM, but I can also see the reasons why you wouldn't want one. Let's sneak up front here. Yeah, I'm hoping. I'm I'm hoping the microphone's pretty good. Wired it up this morning. I mean, I tried it the other day, but it was a little bit tricky, and then it weren't recording audio, so I've cut that piece off, rewired it this morning, and it were working. So I just thought I'd try it out on the way to work. Whether it cancels everything out, i.e. wind, bike noise, and it only leaves me voice, we'll have to see. If the vlog does go up, then yes, it's fine. I'm not going to post it if it's shit audio. Well, I suppose it just saves having to raise your voice as well. So I know on the other mics, if you turn your head, you can pick up a bit of wind noise. I don't know if you can hear it on this one, but I think it's just going to be a boring commuting to work today, guys. So I'll just leave it there. So if it's worked, I know it's not been an exciting vlog, but you've got to get your audio right so that people can understand you. So yeah, thanks for watching. If the audio's all good, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. So yeah, don't forget to ride safe, keep a sticky side down, and until next time, peace.